The overhead press is another great foundational movement that we do pretty much every day. You're probably lifting a lot of things over your head, maybe putting things on a top shelf, reaching up to a cupboard. So you do need to have kind of the basic strength and technique in order to properly put something up overhead. And the main concern with doing a lot of heavy overhead stuff too early after pregnancy is it can really put a strain on a recovering diastasis and, of course, C-section scars or any sort of abdominal hernia. So the overhead press is basically like our seated shoulder raises, just kind of on steroids with a little bit of extra weight. So as soon as you can master those seated arm slides, then adding a little weight is going to be the next progression to strengthening yourself. You really want to make sure that when you first try this out, especially if you have a diastasis, is you really want to focus on your posture with your core specifically. You want to make sure that your abs are solid going through the full range of motion. And if you start to notice any sort of bulging or doming coming from the abs as you reach overhead, then either that's a sign that your body's not ready for your hands to go that high above your head quite yet, or maybe any weight that you choose is a little bit heavy for you. So just kind of take this one slowly. It's very basic movement and foundational movement. Of course, you want to keep your feet planted on the ground, soft knees, pelvis in line, and really kind of keep your head facing forward. The key of perfect posture, and bring your elbows bent down into 90 degrees and trying to push them overhead as straight as you possibly can.